Hi friends, welcome everyone. I am Satish from Asset Institute of Technology, Chennai. Today I will share some things about importance of studying the safety course. Okay, normally when we choose our future profession, at that time what we should look for generally, first of all, is the career respective. Okay, then is the career important. Then is the career provides a sense of accomplishment. Okay, then is the career provides entry to different fields. Okay, so when we choose our future profession, at that time we should have to look these type of things. Okay, but most of the students after completion of schoolings, when choosing the higher studies for college studies, okay, when choosing the higher studies, they not consider the four things. First of all, studying about what. Okay, then second one, after completion of the course we will go to the job or we will have to go to the job. Okay, so in a company, what is our role for working with the machines or supervisory role or executive officer role, like that. Okay, then third one, what about salary. Okay, what about salary, what about growth, like that. Fourth one, after completion of the course, will we get a job in India and abroad without any recommendation easily or not. Okay, so students, when we choose your higher studies, we should look four things. First of all, studying about what. Second one, nature of the job after completion of your course. Third one, what about job after completion of the course, we will get a job easily or not. Fourth one, what about salary and what about growth. Okay, so why I am saying like this, because safety is not a tough subject. Okay, it is an important subject and also easy subject. Okay, so most of the person saying safety is not a study, it is a sense. Is it right or wrong? Right. Why? How I am saying safety is not a study, it is a sense, because everybody have a safety conscious with us. Okay, for example, whenever you meet our friends or relatives, what question we should look or what question we should ask. Hi sir, how are you, how about you, how about you and your family, like that. Why we should question like that? Because we have a safety conscious with us. Okay, but sometimes, not all the times. Okay, sometimes only we may forget or we become indifferent. So only I am saying safety is not a study, it is a sense. Because you have a some habit, for example morning reading the newspaper, like that. So when we read the newspaper in the morning, we can read so many accidents. For example, road accident, train accident, fire, explosion, like that. We read so many accidents in the newspaper every day, but we worry about the losses at the time of reading the particular news. After that, what we will doing, after that what we will do, we forget about the news and we run out our own business. Why? Because these accidents have occurred somewhere to somebody. So after reading the news, we forget about the news and we run out our own business. But because of the accidents, every day so many families and factories are put into heavy losses. That losses we don't imagine or calculate. Okay, so whenever we are taking the food, at that time only we are considering taste of the food, quality of the food, smell of the food. Okay, but safety is not like that. Every second, each and every second we should be cautious. Okay, because accidents are occurring in a fraction of seconds and create a lot of losses. Okay, that losses we don't imagine or calculate. Okay, is it right or wrong? We have to work times. So if you study BSc chemistry or BSc physics or BA engineering in any branch, you can get a job in particular field only. So only most of the students after completing the course still searching for the job. Sir, I have completed BE in 2015, sir, still I am searching for the job, still I have been searching for a good salary, like that. Why they are saying? Because they are not choosing the right course, so their future is still not settled. Okay, so if you study the safety course, definitely you will get a job in all the field. Okay, you will get a job in India and abroad, private sector, government sector. Okay, so study safety and for your bright future. Okay,